Hey guys, Vedant Apps here. In this video, I'll be showing you how you can load a website using WebKitView. Again, this video is a remake of a previous video. The previous video is now outdated. So this video will be using Swift 4.2. To begin, we want to go ahead and add the WebKitView. So simply like this. Let's drag that across, and we'll add missing constraints, so that'll constrain it to the borders. Then we want to go ahead and first of all import WebKit. I'm going to control drag our WebKit view in. I'm just going to call this web. This is going to be an outlet. Then you want to go ahead and insert the WK navigation delegate. And then we want to head over to our view did load. So we're going to define our URL. So let URL equal to URL. This will be a string. And then in the string you'll put HTTP or HTTPS. And then your link. So in this case I'll put www.vedantapps.com. There is that. Add an exclamation mark at the end. And then we want to say web.load or whatever you named the WebKit view. And then in request we will put URL request and in brackets URL, and that will be our URL. Now if we go ahead and run this, as you can see it loads a website right up and the user can interact with it. As you can see, we can scroll. And that is a quick video on how to load a website using WebKitView. Anyways guys, thank you so much for watching. Do subscribe and I'll catch you guys in the next video.